Hello, in front of me I've got Microsoft Surface Duo, and in this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. So let's open camera, and as you can see, right here at the bottom we've got modes. We've got slow-mo, video, photo, portrait and panorama. Then here at the top of the phone we've got timer. You can change between 3 seconds and 10 seconds. Then we've got flashlight. We can set it automatic, turn it on or turn it off. Then if you tap on the screen, you can change brightness level manually. And you can also zoom. In slow-mo you can change FPS. And now let's go to settings. As you can see right here, we can change photo size and also video size. We can turn on or off HDR and scan QR codes. Also we've got video stabilization, HDR video, grid, shutter sound and location tags. And that's it for our camera. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.